Okay, YouTube, we're gonna make some moussaka, Greek style. Not moussaka, moussaka. So we'll start off with some French fries, or some potatoes, I mean. Yeah, so they're about 80% done. You don't want to overcook them. This will be in the oven for a little bit. Dump in the pan. Make sure you shut up the deep fryer. And spread them out. So I'm going to take them upstairs and do that. So I'll be right back. Okay, now we just do the potatoes. Gotta sort them out. Okay. So now we just covered the potatoes with the eggplant. Now we got to work on the hamburger. So we'll get the hamburger going. Okay, here we go. So you got to cut an onion, a big onion or 1.5 small onions, 1.5 kilo of hamburger, and about half a teaspoon of nutmeg. Half a teaspoon of nutmeg, and that's a teaspoon of pepper and a teaspoon of salt. That's what I use. And then once it starts getting cooked a little better, gotta make sure it's all broken up really good. Man, that smells good. Wow. So that's lean ground beef. Don't use normal beef, it's way too much fat. Well, you could, I guess, and then just drain it if you wanted to. I didn't even use any grease to fry it up in either. The less grease in this dish, the better. That's pretty dry. Maybe put some olive oil in it. That will give the taste, and it's better for the tomato sauce. And it smells nicer. I'll just put in some tomato sauce just for color. That should be enough. Oh, nice. good enough. That's good enough for now, so let's get over and cover the eggplant. And here we are with the eggplant. It's actually not that hard to make. All you do is deep fry some potatoes, put some eggplants in the oven, and then make some hamburger and put it all together. But the next part, making a bechamel sauce, might be a little hard, but if I can do it, just saying. Okay. Now we gotta work on the sauce. Okay, here we go. Time to make bechamel cream. Just get ready. I got a cup of olive oil, 2 cups of flour, 1 bag of milk, and a couple of canned milks on the side. Just have them ready, so I'm not sure exactly how much it's going to be. We will find out together. Sometimes it takes less, sometimes it takes more. Okay, so yeah, 1 cup of olive oil. Let it heat up. Oh, forgot the nutmeg. I'm gonna have to put nutmeg in here, 2 and 1 egg. We'll put 2 eggs. Make it nice and tastier, thicker. You put the eggs in at the end though. Once you take it off the pot, off the stove. So now we're just waiting for it to heat up. And then we add the flour, nutmeg, and stir it up until it dries right up. And then we start adding the milk. And keep adding until it gets nice and thick, and it's thick enough as a cream that you can pour over the eggplant and potatoes. Then we're done. Then you gotta put it in the oven. Maybe it's not that easy. You can also add some water while it's going in case it gets too thick. Alright, here we go. I hear the oil going. So you put the first flour in, and then you put some nutmeg in, maybe let's say about half a teaspoon, or 1/4 to half a teaspoon, just so you can smell it. Barely smell it. If you can see it. We almost got 2 cups in already. Now you can add some salt. I'd say about a good teaspoon. Sorry guys, I just make it while I make it. But I'll try and figure out, I'll write it down for you. See how it's drying up? Okay, now we add the milk. Oh, here's a nice trick. Pull the thing back up this way. Okay, now you gotta keep stirring. Make sure you break it all up. Oh, it's getting thick. Throw one of these babies in. Right about now you can add some parmesan in if you have some. Or passetti, Greek cheese. Or even feta cheese. Yep, it's thickening up. Looking good. It's thick. Put 2 eggs in. It's getting hard to stir, but it's looking nice and it smells good. And it's done. And it's nice and creamy and thick. Awesome. Let's put some more salt in there. Thank you later. Okay, done. Okay, let's put the cream in. Nice. Lots of cream. Favorite part. Okay, now we take it in the oven. Ooh. say bye-bye for about 20 minutes at 410. Everybody's oven is different, but around 400. And we'll be back in like 20 minutes. Well, that doesn't look too bad. And there you got moussaka. Looks good. Try slicing the piece. Well, what you're supposed to do is let it cool down so it gets a little hardened up, but I'm not waiting. Potato stayed on the bottom. That's supposed to be underneath. Okay. Oh, this looks nice. Daisy! Daisy! What the hell? Daisy? What did you do? Daisy, what did you do? Hey? What did you do? Did you eat my food? Did you eat my food? Daisy? Okay, fine. Here. You can lick the rest of the plate. This is Daisy. She'll be going camping with me this year. Yeah, clean up the floor. Good girl.